Hello students, today I am going to discuss Physics CAIE 5054 paper 4. This paper 4 is alternative to practical. In short, you will say ATP. This paper consists of 4 questions as you see on screen. Total number of questions you will attempt 4. Mass will be 30 and time will be 1 hour. So before discussing this paper, I will request you to subscribe my channel first. My physics channel is Physics Teacher Sasabda, and I have made this all questions from my own efforts, from my own my personal observation. I will make, and these 4 criteria will help you to taking your physics ATP paper. In first question, you will study electricity and electronics related questions. So in electricity and electronics, you will read this chapter carefully, and in this chapter you will read instruments and circuits. So first question you will attempt from electricity and electronics. Now in second question you will study a chapter light. In light, this light chapter consists of 3 parts: reflection, refraction and lens. There are basically 3 parts: reflection, refraction and lens. So in light chapter you will study reflection, refraction from glass slab and prism. And in this question you will study lens and refractive index from glass. So this is chapter belongs to chapter light, and you will study whole chapter. Now I am going to discuss question number third. Question number third you will solve from chapter thermal properties of matter, or kinetic model of matter, or transfer of thermal energy. As a whole I will say thermal. You will study thermal and temperature based questions. So in this third question you will study whole thermal chapter with temperature, how to measure temperature. So you will study from these chapters. Now number 4 question is experimental measurements. This question consists of all instruments like micrometer, vernier caliper, measurement of from micrometer, vernier caliper, measuring cylinder, temperature and thermometer, you know, in temperature thermometer, and mass variance density, voltmeter, ammeter. All physical instruments are concerned with this question. And also magnetic field. So all magnetic and electromagnetic chapters are included in this question. So for more detail, subscribe to my channel. I will send more videos, and these videos will help you in learning ATP. Thank you very much.